Understanding say nothing in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, understanding the phrase, say nothing. This phrase is simple yet intriguing, and knowing how to use it can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. First, let's explore the literal meaning of say nothing. It simply means to remain silent or not say anything. For example, if someone asks a question and you say nothing, you are choosing not to respond verbally. However, there's also a figurative meaning. Sometimes, say nothing is used to express agreement or acquiescence. For instance, if someone makes a suggestion and you say nothing, it might imply that you agree with them or have no objections. The context in which say nothing is used can greatly change its meaning. Let's look at a few scenarios. 1. In response to a question, if someone asks, "What do you think about this idea?" and you say nothing, it could imply you have no opinion, or you prefer not to share it. 2. As an expression of surprise, sometimes say nothing is used when someone is so surprised or shocked that they are momentarily speechless. 3. In dramatic or tense situations, in movies or books, say nothing often heightens drama. A character may say nothing to create suspense or show defiance. In different cultures, the interpretation of say nothing can vary. In some cultures, remaining silent might be seen as agreement, while in others, it might be interpreted as disapproval or hesitation. It's important to understand these cultural nuances when using or interpreting say nothing in international or multicultural contexts. When learning English, it's easy to misunderstand or misuse the phrase, say nothing. A common mistake is using it in a situation where explicit verbal communication is expected. Also, non-native speakers might not pick up on the subtle cues that indicate whether say nothing is used literally or figuratively. And that's a wrap on the phrase, say nothing. I hope this video has shed light on its various meanings and uses. Remember, understanding such phrases is key to mastering the English language. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.